Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to write better prompts in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So on your Discord homepage, select a server that has a Midjourney bot on it. So before we start, you should always remember that the part you left out in your prompt will be randomized by the Midjourney. So if you have a specific look in your mind, try to be clear and straight as much as you can. So let's talk over some rules and then I'm going to compare a good prompt with a bad prompt. So rule number one, use a well-defined object. So instead of saying banana, if you say yellow slippery object, most of your friends would understand that you are referring to a banana, but since you are dealing with a computer, try to be specific as you can. So avoid using analogies or metaphors. So rule number two, use adjectives, emotions, and themes as much as you can. Those are helping Midjourney to generate better imagery. Rule number three, don't forget to add a style on it. You can use some words like pop art, funk art, surreal, cyberpunk to generate a specific look. Also, you can use your favorite artist name to generate a specific look. Rule number four, try to specify a medium. So by default, Midjourney tends to make images photorealistic. So you need to specify your style. If you don't want a photorealistic image, you can use keywords such as oil painting, drawing, sketch, etc. And the final rule is try to avoid complex sentences. It will slow down your rendering process and overwhelm the system, and you will get bad results. Let me show you the difference between a good prompt and a bad prompt. So I'm going to show you the bad prompt first. Let's say /imagine and hit enter. I'm going to use only one adjective and the vague description of a banana. And let's hit enter. I'm not going to specify any style or a medium. And here's our first image. And as you can see, none of them resembles a banana, and also all of them looks different from each other. Let me show you a good written prompt. So let's say /imagine and hit enter. So I'm going to start with my medium. I want a drawing, and let's add some adjectives. And then I'm going to add well-defined object here, and let's add some style. I'm going to write down one of my favorite artists here, and let's add more style parameter, and let's hit enter to generate. So here's our second image. As you can see, there's a visible correlation between them, and it also correlates with our initial prompt here. And that's how to use better prompts in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, press the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.